Good morning, my dear student. Today, your half yearly maths exam will be right in evening 6 o'clock. So, everyone revise today fully. So, you have a pattern and portion in already. I send it to you. So, again, I tell this place value, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, geometry, patterns, measurement, and time. Up to time, I will finish some three exercise. So that exercise, up to that exercise for the portion. So these are the portions. So every unit I have the question. I take the question. So in 1 marks, I send the pages of page number also. I send it, so everyone know that the book back 1 marks in first set and second set. So both will be, I tell this. Now tell the page number again. First set of 1 mark, page number 99 to 98. You have a book back 1 mark. So 99. So 94 to 99 you have a book back 1 mark. And the second set of 1 mark, book back 1 mark, you have 158 page number to 161. So these are the second set of 1 marks. These are the book back 1 marks. But you will study the inside of the exercise. You have some 1 marks that also taken for the exam. So everyone study that 1 mark also. In this exercise, number names, you know the number names. So everyone study the spelling of the number name. So number name is important. And ascending and descending order, you will arrange the numbers. This also very important. So everyone revise this. In addition, add by expanding number. So expanding number is mentioned means you expand the number and then you add, get the answer. Not to add the normal addition. So only add is given means you take the addition normally, but add by expanding number is given means you expand the number and then you add, you get the answer. That only I give full marks. So normal addition will be given means I am not to give the full marks. So add by counting in tens also the same only. And then addition everyone know the addition. So 2-row addition, 3-row addition. 3-row addition means first two number added and then added to the answer, you get the answer. So these are the very important addition. Subtraction also important. So suppose the smaller number subtracts bigger one means you borrowing. So borrowing is very important. So everyone study the subtraction also. Multiplication, normal multiplication, using the table to multiply the number. So everyone must to know the tables. So everyone study the tables for the multiplication sums. Then find the product using lattice method. Lattice method is mentioned means use only the lattice method. You know the lattice method. So arranging the number in this row and column size, because 2 number is multiplied 2 number means 2 row 2 column will be right, and then split the columns everywhere. You arranging the number and multiply everything, and inside of the boxes you will write, and then you add one by one row you will add and get the answer. So already I explained this in the class also. So everyone study this lattice method. So lattice method is important. Next one is division. So this also, the find the quotient means dividend and divisor is given. You find the quotient means just you divide and get the answer. Suppose the divisor will be, you find means that dividend and quotient is given means the same. The quotient is divide and you get the divisor. So this also having hint, quotient is multiplied with the divisor, you get the dividend. So quotient and dividend will be multiplied, you get the divisor. So those things are very important. So everyone study this. The next one is long division method to find the quotient and remainder, using the tables to divide the number and get some quotient. Quotient is the answer, and having some remainder means you write the remainder. Suppose remainder is 0 means you write remainder 0. So these are the important. So this terms and this term is also important. Match the column is very, very important. So question is there, quotient is there, remainder is there. You divide and get the quotient and remainder. So everyone study this. Use not to draw this line. So straightly you write the answer. Suppose this answer is 9. 9 the quotient means write the 9 straightly. And the same for remainder 0 means you write the 0 in straightly. In geometry, the shape, name, number of corners, number of sides, those are the importance, and name the parts and measure. So measure is not taken for this because this is an online exam. In question paper given means you will measure and write, but this one you write only the sides and corner name. So the next exercise also very important. So this matches is important. Name the solid shape also important. So everyone study the spelling of cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid, cone, everything. This match also important. The next one, this fill in the blanks also very important. So everyone study this. Next one is pattern. Pattern, everyone know the pattern. So arrangement of shapes will be the next shape. You will study the first and then you will make it the next shape. The numbers also, how many numbers will be added or multiplied. So you will study this and then you write the next two pattern. This also very important. Complete the number pattern also important. So next one is measurement. Everyone know the measurement because in second midterm also you will write the measurement exercise. So measurement exercise very simple. Meter is converted to correct. Meter is converted to centimeter means 100 will be multiplied to get the centimeter. Suppose the centimeter is converted to meter means every 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So you will divide that, you get the answer. So everything is explained before class. So in meter and centimeter is very important because meter and centimeter both will be right means first of all you will take the 100th place, the remaining splitted to right, and then the 100th place will be written as suppose 400 is given means 4 into 100 you write. Every 100 makes 1 meter. So 4 meter, the remaining is suppose 58 means 58 centimeters. So 4 meter 58 centimeters, like that you will study this. In book exercise you have 1 mark also, that one also you study. Next one is meter and kilometer. 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer is multiplied, but kilometer is converted to meter means every 1000 meter makes one every 1000 kilometer makes one, not correct, every 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So like this you will do that. In addition of the meter, centimeter, kilometer, so this also normal addition takes place, but you make one mistake. So you add in the for example this one you take 7 plus 8. So 7 plus 8, first of all it's a 15, 5 carrying 1, again this 15 plus 1 16. So 16 means not to write 16 fully, 6 the carry will be go for the meter. Someone write 16 fully in this centimeter. The centimeter having some carrying means you carry in the meter. In last only you write everything. So this only is mistake will take place. So subtraction also very important. The next one 8.5. This fill in the blanks ascending order and match the following. So everything is important to study. The next one is gram and kilogram. This also every 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So multiply. But kilogram converted to gram converted to kilogram means every 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. So this also having the addition and subtraction sums. So the next one is liter, milliliter. In liter, milliliter also every 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Every 1000 milliliter make 1 liter. This also addition and subtraction takes place. So everyone study this. The next one is time. The clock will be given, the time will be given. Only you will draw the handle of short hand and long hand will be placed correctly for the given clock time. The next one is two way to write the clock. So this is using the to and past. So this to and past, first of all you write the time first and then using the to and past to write the second way. This having one match the column. So that one also very important. So everyone study this. The next one is AM, PM. You will write to make the sentence correctly. And 1 hour after 1 hour before means you know that in before class you will study this. So everyone do this one also. So this is today revision children. So everyone study everything. So ready for that exam. In sharp 6 o'clock you have to write in a ruled paper using the pencil to write the exam. Exam write neatly and 1 marks, no need to write the questions. In choose the correct answer, only you write the option and the answer, and fill in the blanks, only you write the answer, and match the following. You have the straight answer will be you write. Any drawing will be placed remains. The parents will help to draw the drawings of the matching, so the children will match the shape of the something. So please parent help your children to write that. The next one, in comparing the number, both side you write the question. In center you will draw the less than or greater than symbol, everything. In the sum, you want the question means you write the question, otherwise you don't need to write the question. So this is for your exam instruction. So everyone study well. So all the best children. So thank you children to watching the video.